between here.
No. Look how big the bed is.
We can literally have a rave.
But is your room really dark as well? How do you make it brighter?
Well, I did
Lamps.
this.
This is where the after party is.
I don't know.
Johnny just told me that.
Oh, there we go. That's brighter. Woo! We're in Vegas, baby. Vegas! Look at the size of our suite. I'm going to do a proper tour in a second. And then we've got a connecting room with our friend. Oh my God, I've got so much to show you. Connecting room with our friend. I'm vlogging. Hey, Kenneth. Oh my God, have you seen the bathroom, Keith?
Bro, listen, yeah.
Everything is separate. This is how we have our toilet. Look at the size of this bath.
Oh my God, I'm having a bath.
Shaving in here is going to be a dream.
Oh my God, this is stunning.
This is sick.
We're in Vegas, baby. And also, it's like 3 a.m. English time.
We are all
6 p.m. here.
See?
Although he's been sleeping on the plane for like 10 hours. So he's all good.
This, yeah. What were you lot in bed doing this?
I was out here making moves. This is so exciting. I can't even deal. Right, I'm going to do a proper tour now. This is our bathroom. Look at the decor. I actually can't even deal. So you walk in, it's very, very grand. His and hers. Sinks. I'm going to claim the left one. I've got good vibes of the left one. Brass finishes. They've got some very nicely packaged soaps. It feels very clean. There's a little TV. What's this? Oh, this is the toilette. So you've got a separate toilet, which is stunning. And then a little mirror to do all of my makeup. Oh, is this a light up mirror? Please, if it is. Oh, yes. It's not too bright, but they tried. And then we've got a really, really nice bathtub. I'm actually gonna have the bath in here. Am I? I'm not sure actually when I think about it a little bit too much, but I really want to. And then we've got the shower. Look, it's so pretty. And then as we come down here, so this is our friend's suite. So we've literally just opened those doors. And then we've got a closet area. So I can actually unpack. Oh, we've got really nice dressing gowns. And also, of course, there's gonna be so much aircon galore. I like these drawers. Can you see these? Like a really nice mahogany wood. They're nice, they're very clean as well. And then we've got some hanging side lamps. Look at this nice tufted headboard. Give me inspiration actually. No, the light situation. And then, so look, our bed is just blooming huge. In America it's a king, but I think for us it's like a super, super, super king. It's like really, really big. They've got a little bench at the end. This console table. How excited on a scale of 1 to 10 are you?
12.
A 12. I would go for a 15 personally.
15.
15.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah. Look at this gorgeous console table. And they've got a TV in here. I can't even begin to explain to you how big this room is. Like, I feel like Rob's good throwing distance.
Pan over to the window.
Pan over. What are you gonna do?
What?
Oh.
What?
Did it not work? Slightly disappointing. Oh, here we go. Oh. Look at the view. Can you see the mountains in the distance? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Then I just love all of the panelling on the walls. It's actually coming up pink, but it's actually really nice cream. Here we go. Cream colour with white panelling and a wallpaper inside. This is gorgeous. This is something I'm going to do in the future. They've got, it looks like real wooden coving. Beautiful. And then we've got a seating area. We've got like a whole living room. I'm going to pop down. A whole living room space. Like, I don't know if you can see. We've got some open conversational chairs, a massive coffee table, which is beautiful. We've got Rod Stewart on the front of the Las Vegas magazine. What more do you want?
Just what you need.
Just what you need. We've got a sofa. We've got a, oh my God, I can do work. Have you seen the desk? In the morning, pull up these blinds and I'm gonna sit here with my laptop and do some editing for you guys. I look awful. I've been up for about 18 hours. Something like that, I don't even know, I'm probably being dramatic. And I was saying that when we were coming over, I was like, I just really hope that the rooms are really, really nice. That's all I want, I just want the rooms to be nice. And they've absolutely smashed it, they're amazing. Look at these views, this is a joke. Every time I look up on me, come on, look up on me. Every time I look up on me, come on, look up on me. Every time I look up on me, come on, look up on me. Every time I look up on me. Like it's surprise, oh my God. Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl, eyes on me. My little baby girl, I didn't really do a proper introduction to this Vegas vlog, so I'm doing it now. But we're in Vegas. It is currently 7:30 in the morning. I've been up since 4:45. Didn't really sleep the best last night, but I did go to bed at about 10. I was exhausted. Go jump in the shower in a second, get myself ready for the day, put a little bit of makeup on, do my hair, and get like minimal clothes on because the heat, it is 40 degrees Celsius today, which is 104 degrees Fahrenheit, if that means something to you. It is hot. We're gonna just stick to the strip today. I want to eat everything. You guys have given me a list of things to eat. Tomorrow is the day of the festival. Monday is another day dilly-dallying about, and then we go home on Tuesday. Quick side note, the flight yesterday, horrendous, never want to do it again. Turbulence, horrible. I cried in our interchange between Denver to Vegas because we had a connecting flight. We had to leave the airport, recheck our baggage, go through security again, drop off our baggage, whatever, and then try and catch the flight, like go to the boarding gate. By the time we got through, I just burst out in tears. I was just that, you know, when your level of emotion is just so high and then it just like drops. By the time that plane touched down, I was actually a whole new person. I was like, woo, we're in Vegas, baby. Something exciting whilst we're here though, we have started to get viewings on the house, so people are getting booked in to get viewed. When we come back, they're going to do a big open house, so we should probably know in the next few weeks if people want to make offers or not, which is crazy. Also, I am going to do a little like home stores shopping in America. I'm a Brit, and all of the people that I watch, Lone Fox, McKenna, KB, when they go shopping in like Pottery Barn, Z Gallery, the ones that are around me, I'm gonna have to get an Uber out because they're on like the west side of the Vegas Strip. I've got to get an Uber out there, else it's a 4-hour walk, and I'm gonna just kind of pop into them. I'm gonna try my hardest not to buy stuff because I know what I'm like. I'll be like, I'll just buy a new suitcase, I want that vase, I want that, but I need to be realistic. So I'm going to try really hard not to buy anything, but I'm going to really appreciate the home decor because it is strong. The game is strong in America. This is going to be the most random vlog. It's probably not going to make sense. If you are interested in going to Vegas, I will try to let you know basically if we recommend it at the end. I'm already saying yes. We've been here for about 12 hours. I'm already like, yes, you have to come. Amazing. The weather is great. People seem friendly. Although I did get something chucked at my head yesterday in a store. I'll tell you about that another time. Anyway, let's go get ready for the day. Just another sunny day. It's the first full day. We're trying to find like a nice all-day breakfast buffet thing. People came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. That's me. At the table. It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain.
If you know the word, say! Say what?
And I was told that the sex was better than drugs. Thinking addicted, pointless.
Yo, what's my motherfucking name? Can't control me.
When my heart can't take no more, I keep on. Oh, without you, I'm hurting while I'm with you. Running back to you. They can't handle it. Trying to take me out to dinner, I cancel it.
What happened to euphoria? Guys, we are outside Trader Joe's. I'm literally going in for everything but the bagel, and then we've got to go, but I will try and show you what it's like inside. Oh my god, look at these. Chocolate chip cookies. Oh my god, there's so many. Dunker cookies. Oh my god. Chocolate chip cookie dunkers. What are these? $5.50. So they're like long biscuits that you can dunk into a cup of tea.
You just dunk and then bite a bit off.
Yeah. Oh look, Rob, cheesy seasoning blend. Add cheesiness to popcorn, vegetables, pasta,
Why would you want cheesy popcorn?
Apparently their seasonings are unreal here. That's why I've come here, yeah, just to get that one seasoning thing. Ooh. Corn dog. Turkey corn dog. Do you know what? For some reason, I just feel like these would actually bang, even though they're freezer foods.
Yeah, right.
Oh, look at the watermelon.
Nice.
Ooh. I've always wanted to try this Cobb salad.
Why is it Cobb salad?
I don't know. I think it's just salad with
It's got cheese
eggs. Oh, I bet that's nice. Garlic dip. Oh, here it is. Everything but the bagel Greek style yogurt dip.
Sesame?
Yes, grab that for me, please.
This one?
Can you grab 3 of those? The everything but the elote. I don't know what that is, but it looks good. And get the chili and lime seasoning blend in the middle.
Okay, hang on. I need a reposition.
Oh, these look so good. I'm just gonna buy all of them. I'll show you what I get later. Hello guys. This lighting is awful. I might just lay down. You're not ruin my hair. This might be even worse. We'll just have to deal with it. It'll be a quick one. So today is the last full day of Vegas. I feel like I've been so rubbish vlogging this
Last
whole
holiday
trip.
of Vegas.
Last day, like full day. We're going home tomorrow. Oh, I've got no recording time left. I've been so rubbish at vlogging this, I know. But it has been incredible. And to be honest, you go on holiday to have a great time. I just vlog for the fun of it. So I'm sorry I didn't get to show you absolutely everything that we did. But it has been so good. If you are considering coming to Vegas, it is amazing. Tonight's the final night. We're going to try and stay up. We're super tired though. I literally am going to try and nap for 10 minutes whilst the girls are getting ready. We're going to a posh restaurant called Catch in Aria, which is near Caesar's Palace on the Strip. It's meant to be really nice, a little bit fancy, a little bit bougie. It's our kind of nice meal of the week. We actually had another one the other night, Tao in the Venetian, which was phenomenal. The food was so tasty. But tonight's meant to be like our posh night. We were going to wear heels, but we've realised afterwards we want to go to the casinos. It doesn't make sense to wear heels at the casinos. We're going to, not that there's a problem with it, but we will just be so much more tired earlier than we think we are because our feet will be hurting. So we're just going to have, wear flats, and then I've got a nice top and some jeans on. And then I think jewellery and eyelashes really make an outfit, because even my hair, you can't see it right now, but I've done a slick back pony slick thing. It needs washed. It's grim. But I did that and then whacked some eyelashes on. I was like, well, okay, I can roll with this. Yesterday was the best day of our lives. We have not stopped banging on about it all day. We went to Lovers and Friends Festival in Las Vegas. The whole reason that we came on this trip, all the 90s R&B classics and even hip hop classics, but the actual artists were there performing them on stage. We saw so many people. We saw Maya, Sierra. We missed Usher, which I was really upset about because the gang was so tired. Usher wasn't coming on till 10:30, and at this point it was 9. I was so tempted to stay by myself, but obviously I'm not going to do that in a random country. So I just went with the group, but I am 100% going on his next tour. I don't care how much tickets are. I am going. Nelly, Ja Rule, Ashanti, Lil Kim, TLC, Genuine, Timbaland. Lauryn Hill was meant to perform as well, but again we missed that because it was so late. Fat Joe was meant to perform, didn't get to see that, but there were so many names. It was honestly Pretty Ricky. It was honestly phenomenal. Best festival ever. Best time of my life. I'm going to try catch 10 winks, and then we've got to hit the casinos because can you believe I still haven't done that yet. And then we're flying home tomorrow. Fingers crossed it's going to be a really pleasant and safe journey and everything goes smoothly.
We out here.
We out here. We in Catch. I'm not even hungry in the slightest, and I've got a cold, so I'm probably going to sit this one out, but it should be good. Do me a quick haul of the food in here.
Got Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms.
We've got
Mini M&Ms.
mini M&Ms.
Caramel M&Ms.
Caramel M&Ms.
And
Jelly beans.
jelly beans.
And
Rob got a little poker chip somewhere. And it says Robert. for a Robert. Have you had a good time in Vegas?
Very good time.
We're currently walking back to the hotel.
Currently the hottest I've ever been.
Yeah, it is so hot. Like, can you see the sky? I don't know if you can see by the sky, but it's super hot. I look like absolute rubbish. It's the last day. I don't even care. We're jumping on a flight in about 2 hours or something. I'm just trying to get home in one piece, sane, and I'm looking forward to sleep when we get home. But this trip has been absolutely amazing. What would you give it out of 10, Rob?
11.
11. I would give it a defo 10. I just wish we had like a few more days to catch up on sleep and then just do some extra bits and bobs that we weren't able to do. But he's coming back next year. This is Treasure Island. I mean, I actually wouldn't recommend this hotel personally. It looks a little bit dated for me. The Cosmo looks amazing. Our hotel, the Venetian, the rooms were fantastic. We walked through Caesar's Palace, which as a hotel in general is amazing. And they're all pretty good. They're all massive, they're all huge, they're all very clean. Vegas as a city is very clean, I think, and it has really, really been an amazing holiday. On that note, I'm probably going to check out here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.